stay tuned for the Meta 7 video.
In your own words, tell us your experience with Meta 7.
Oh my goodness, I have a lot more energy, a lot more focus. I can go longer throughout the day without getting tired. I love it. I recommend it to everybody that I know.
Do you feel artificial? Do you feel like you've taken a stimulant of some kind when you take it? You feel natural?
Very natural.
No jittery?
Very healthy, very natural.
Wonderful. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
That's right, Meta 7. More and more people are sending in their testimonials. Weight loss, more energy, and generally feeling more alert during the day. Let's hear more.
I just reordered a 90-day supply. I have more energy, am in a better mood.
It's natural, it's amazing. I feel motivated to get out and do things that I didn't before.
I'm not tired during the day. I've worked 12-hour shifts.
Just go all day. It makes me feel great. I love it, and take it. It's wonderful stuff.
If you haven't tried Meta 7 yet, it's time to order yours from Amazon. Time to boost your metabolism and kick your energy level into high gear. There's an Amazon link in the description.